Hi guys, and welcome to From the Roots Up. Today is our 4th day of 12 days of homemade Christmas, and today we're making cinnamon bread.
Be sure and stay to the end where we reveal some Christmas magic.
So we went to the Dollar Tree and we found these super cute little pans for $1.25. I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I just heard it ring. The next step is to grease our pans. So I have 4 of these. So we're going to put 2 cups of flour in here. And we're going to put 1 cup of sugar. One cup of buttermilk. 2 large eggs. Quarter cup of vegetable oil. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. Two teaspoons of baking powder. One and a half teaspoons of ground cinnamon. A teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. So now you're going to mix this up. One batch of this is 4 mini loaf pans. So I'm just going to spread this evenly through them. So we filled these up to the halfway point, and we're going to put these on a cookie tray and put them in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. And then we're going to check them with a toothpick, and if the dough sticks to the toothpick, that means they're not ready yet. See you back here when they're all cooked. Alright, so our bread is out of the oven and it is cool. Look how cute. So now let's wrap them. Alright, they are wrapped and done. We ran out of gold ribbon, so there's one white one. But they're so cute. And I'm super excited.
And now for that Christmas magic.
So now let's wrap them.
I am hurrying as best I can, babe.
Have you gotten one done yet?
No, I need better scissors. Taylor, I need really good scissors. Hurry. Can you get me some? Fabric scissors? Go look on the homeschool room table. The pink scissors. Like, hurry.
Okay.
hands are hurting.
I know. It's gonna be really funny though.
Those are pretty.
And go.
Do I snap again?
Yes, snap again.
So we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun.